That's the reason yesterday I have given some gap. In middle itself, I have told I need to explain from types of dashboards, but I'm going to explain from starting onwards. Okay, where we are going to place here, where we are going to place number of sheets is known as dashboards. Like where we can place n number of sheets in a single place, which is known as dashboards. Here we have something known as dashboard components will be there. Dashboard components. Dashboard components is nothing but we have starting with vertical, horizontal, and we have something known as web page, web page, we have image, we have text, and we have blank page. This all these things we have, all these six types of components we have, and we are going to call, we have one word which is known as containers. Containers is nothing but which should be combination of, it should be it should be combination of both, should be combination of both horizontal and vertical. Combination of both horizontal and vertical we are going to call as containers. Vertical and horizontal components and horizontal components we will call as containers. And we have something known as dashboard objects will be there. Next we have dashboard objects will be there. This dashboard objects is nothing but what wherever we have tile and fixed will be there. These two also somewhat important. Both the things by the help of these dashboard objects only we are going to build all these things. Dashboard objects which is known as tile, other one is which is known as floating. And we have afterwards once we are going to see our visualization, we have dashboard sizes will be there as well as whatever we are going to use at dashboard level. If I'm going to take some dashboard from this level, we are going to get different types of sizes. It need to be compatible for desktop, it need to be compatible for mobile as per things we are going to get. This all these six we are going to call as dashboard components and new objects. Whatever we have the objects will be dashboard objects is known as tiled and floating and layout. And we have layout and dashboard sizes will be there. And we have layout and dashboard sizes will be there. Here we need to understand what exactly about each and everything from this level. After completion of this layout and dashboards, then we have types of dashboards will be there. We will see that afterwards. First we need to see vertical. Just if we need to arrange the sheets in a, if we need to arrange the sheets in a specific format in a vertical way, we are going to make use of vertical. And if we need to arrange the sheets in horizontal, we are going to make use of, if we need to arrange the sheets, arrange the sheets in the form of horizontal, we are going to make use of horizontal component. For that purpose we are going to use, and web page is nothing but there is no need to go for like a web browser to search that page. Like we have some actions will be there. In action concept we have something known as URL action will be there. From sheet, if you're going to click on that sheet, automatically it is going to navigate for that whatever we are giving the URL, it is going to navigate till there. Likewise we have all these things. For that purpose here web page is nothing but we are going to get each and everything should be in our dashboard itself. Each and everything, like I am going to get that page into my dashboard level. Whatever I need to search, I can search from dashboard level itself. We are going to search. We will get the web address, and we can make use of that web URL in our dashboard level itself. And we can make use of web page at our dashboard level itself. Our dashboard level itself. And after completion of this we have something known as image will be there. If we need to add any external images, which are not related to visualization like company logos and such type of things. By the help of image we can add. If I need to add any external images, if I need to add any external images by the help of image component, I will I can use I can use. This is what exactly about this. And text means if I need to write any description, I'm going to make use of text. Blank page is nothing but it's an empty page to make use of writing the text. Writing the text. Basically, most important thing, we are going to write text above the blank page. Text is nothing but where we are going to write some description about the dashboard, where we can write some description some description about the dashboard is known as text. We are going to write some description about the text. By the help of this, all the 6 components we are going to make use. And here we have some containers will be there. Containers is nothing but it should be combination of both horizontal and vertical. Dashboard objects will be there. Here dashboard objects are 2 objects will be there. One is tile. It having another name. Tile is nothing but fixed or static. Why it's fixed or static means once we are using the component, once we are using object as fixed, objects as tile, and I have used some sheets, and I have used some sheets in the visualization. I cannot resize that sheets. I cannot resize the sheets which has used in dashboard, which has used in dashboard level, because style should be fixed. That's the reason we cannot resize anything in the whenever we are going to make use of tile. And we have floating will be there. This we are going to call as dynamic. Dynamic is nothing but by the help of dynamic, I'm going to click here. Once if I'm going to using the dynamic floating, once I am using floating, and it should be like dynamic. If I want to resize this sheet, if I need to resize the sheet, it can be possible by the help of floating. It can be possible by the help of floating. In recommended way should be floating. Recommended thing should be in dashboard objects. In dashboard objects, always better practice should be floating. Always better practice should be floating, because we need to some rechange or resize the sheets we can get by the help of floating. Whenever you are going to make use of like 4 or 6 sheets in the dashboard level, we are going to make use of which is known as floating. If you want only 2 sheets, then it should be better practice should be tile, because 2 sheets it will looks better in the tile. If you are going to make use of 4 or 6 sheets on the time, better practice should be by the help of floating. We are going to arrange all these things. And here we have something lower known as layout. Layout is nothing but whatever we are using at visualization, dashboard visualization level, we will get all these things. We will get all the things. Whatever we have is how many sheets, and if we are using any components, each and everything will going to get at layout. In dashboard layout, we will get all these things. We will get at the all the sheets and components details at dashboard layout. And final one should be dashboard sizes will be there. Here dashboard sizes means here if you need to assign any size, if I need to specifically assigning some sizes, assigning some sizes by the help of dashboard sizes, it can be possible. By the help of dashboard sizes, it can be possible. But in client, as per client requirement, you need to give the size. He is going to let us know which size we need to use, as well as if there should be something, they are going to let us know which size we need to make use of dashboard, and we need to make it mobile compatible, and all these things they are going to let us know. And we have final should be show title will be there. Show title checkbox will be there. If I'm going to click on the checkbox, it is going to show the title for the, it will shows the title for the dashboard, title for dashboard whenever we are going to click on checkbox. Whenever whenever we are going to click on that checkbox. That is how it is going to make use of each and everything will be there. After completion of this, all these things, we have something known as dashboard types will be there. There we have 5 different types of dashboards will be there. We have something known as dashboard types. Dashboard types. First one should be detailed dashboard, and second one should be master detailed dashboard, master detailed dashboard, and third one should be multi-master dashboard, multi-master dashboard, and fourth one should be hiding dashboard, hiding dashboard, dashboard, and fifth one should be index dashboard. These are all the things what we have, and how to make use of each and everything we need to understand. Here each and everything should be easiest way, like master, each all the dimensions should be easiest. But here in hiding dashboard, you need to understand something related to what exactly about this. First we are going to see what is detailed dashboard. Detailed dashboard is nothing but just we are going to place in detailed dashboard, just we are going to arrange, just we are arranging all the sheets in dashboard. Just arranging the sheet, just you are going to place the sheets in a dashboard level, then it is known as detailed dashboard. Here we are not going to give any actions, we are not going to do anything, just we are going to arranging all the sheets in a dashboard, is known as detailed dashboard. And next one should be master detail dashboard. Here master detail dashboard is nothing but, here we have a number, just think that we have some 4 sheets will be there. In master detail we have one master will be there, and all the remaining sheets should be detail sheet. All the remaining sheets should be detail. That means if I'm going to click on one sheet, I have 4 sheets will be there. I have something known as sheet 1, comma, sheet 2, comma, sheet 3, comma, sheet 4. We have 4 sheets. I'm going to make sheet 1 as a master. I'm going to make sheet 1 should be as a master, and remaining all the sheets should be detail. If I'm going to click on sheet 1, it need to get the changes on overall remaining 2, 3, 4. I need to get, it should be remaining detailed sheets. By the help of action we can give. And by the help of actions, by the help of actions, we will get the detail, we'll get the detailed dashboard. We'll get the, no, we'll get the master detail dashboard. We'll get the master detail dashboard. Here they're going to give like source should be like we have two things will be there, source and target in action. Source should be sheet 1 and target should be 2 3 4 except one. Source should be sheet 1 and target should be sheet 2 comma 3 comma 4. Likewise they are going to give, because we have seen for dashboard before, whenever we are discussing actions we have discussed something about cardinalities. Cardinalities is nothing but making the relationship between one to another one. Here in cardinalities we can use one to one. In dashboard level we can use cardinalities like one to one to many to many, and many to 1. All the cardinals it is going to satisfy. In master detail dashboard, here 1 to many will be there. We are going to make use of one sheet as a master sheet and remaining all the three sheets as a detail sheets, that which comes under master detail dashboard. And next we have something known as multi-master dashboard. Here we have, suppose we have four sheets in dashboards, and I'm going to make two sheets as multi masters. I'm going to make,
Anil,
yes,
hello.
yes, Rajat.
Can you just give us what is a master detail? Just give us an example, like.
Yes. Like
Uh,
example is nothing but, suppose if I'm going to take some country I have taken in sheet one, okay, this should be
okay.
sheet one, and I have remaining sheet two. I have some state-wise sales, I have city-wise sales or category-wise sales, whatever should be there. If I'm going to open for you, just I'm going to build. First one should be some map state, and take one more sheet which is known as segment wise sales, and take one more sheet which is known as category wise sales, which is another one subcategory wise sales. Here I'm going to make sheet 1 as a master. If once I'm going to click on this state, and it need to show related things like segment wise sales and category wise sales and subcategory wise sales. It is going, these three are the detail, this is the master. I'm going to place all these things in a dashboard. I'm going to make use of floating will be there. I'm going to take this sheet, I'm going to make use of this sheet, I'm going to take one more, these two sheets will be there. By clicking on sheet 1, it need to be reflected on sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. I need to get some changes. Depends on that state. I need to get the segment sales, category sales and subcategory sales. This I am going to make as a master, and I am going to make remaining 3 as the detail. Once I am going to show some practicals, whenever we are going to discussing, I will show practical how we can apply actions and how it is going to work. Okay. Is it okay, Chaitanya?
Yeah. Yes, Anil.
Hmm. Then here we have something known as multi-master dashboard. Multi-master means here we are going to, suppose we have four sheets in the dashboard. I am going to make two sheets as a master. Two sheets as a masters. If I'm going to click on one sheet, it is not going to be reflected. I'm not going to get any changes in the second sheet. If we have sheet 1 will be there, and we have sheet 2 will be there, and likewise we have some other thing, we have sheet 3 will be there, and sheet 4 will be there. Sheet 4 will be there. If I'm going to click on this sheet 1, I want reflections on sheet 3 and sheet 4 only. It's not on 2. If I'm going to click on sheet 2, I need reflections on sheet 3 and sheet 4. It not should be in 1. For that purpose, whenever we are discussing actions, we have discussed, whenever we are going to work with dashboards, actions and formatting should be very much important. By the help of that two only, it can be possible. This scenario also, by the help of actions only, we are going to get. We are going to make, whenever we are going to select source as sheet 1, in target we are going to select 3 and 4. When we are going to add one more action, we are going to take source as sheet 2 and we are going to give target at 3 and 4. On the time automatically we have two masters and two details. Once if I'm going to click on one master, it is not going to reflect for next master. Here how we have should be here. If I'm going to click on this, I need changes in this two only, not in this. If I'm going to click on this, I need changes in this two only, not in this. For that purpose, we're going to make use how we can build the master detail dashboard. We can see whenever we are seeing the practicals and hiding dashboard. This is the one of the important thing we need to understand clearly. Remaining each and everything should be easy. And hiding dashboard is nothing but if we have visualization in if we have the dashboard visualization area, dashboard visualization area, we have four sheets. Just think that four sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. If I'm going to click on sheet 1, I need to hide the sheet 2 and sheet 3 and I need to get the reflections on sheet 4. I need to see only sheet 4. Once again, if I'm going to click on sheet 1, I need to get all the remaining sheets. That is what exactly the requirement. If we have the dashboard visualization area 4 sheet, if I am going to click on sheet 1, I need to see the changes in I need to see the changes in sheet 2 and we need to hide the remaining sheet 3 and sheet 4. We need to hide the we need to hide the sheet 3 and sheet 4. We need to hide sheet 3 and sheet 4. We need to hide the things. This is what exactly our requirement. As well as whenever I am going to click here, here in this dashboard level, if I'm going to click here, I don't need to see to second sheet and third sheet, but I need to get some reflection should be here. Once again, if I'm going to click, I need to get all the remaining, all the three sheets. It should be one dashboard to other dashboard level you need to do, but we are going to see in one dashboard, but you can, if whenever you are doing the practice, you need to hide. If I'm going to click on this sheet, you need to hide in next dashboard. If you are going to hide some sheets, you can hide in. If you are going to give any actions related to that, it can be make use. This hiding dashboard should be important. We will see practically how we can work with that. And after completion of hiding dashboard, index dashboard, just index dashboard is nothing but just we are going to align all the dashboards in a single sheet. Single dashboard is known as index dashboard. Just from there I am going to apply. I am going to place all the sheets at a single dashboard and I will apply some actions. Apply some actions by clicking on one sheet. By clicking on one sheet, it need to go for related dashboard. Related dashboard. Each and everything we have seen this all these things. Likewise, I need to make use of index dashboard. Index dashboard is nothing but just I am going to arrange all the dashboards in a order. Like if I'm going to click like master detail dashboard, if I have given some button, if I'm going to click on that button, automatically it need to navigate to master detail dashboard and detail dashboard and multi-master and hiding dashboard. Likewise, I'm going to make index dashboard. This concepts only what we have as a part of dashboard. Starting from this level, dashboard components onwards till index dashboard, this should be each and everything should be important to understand what exactly about this. Now we are going to see practicals how we can build this all the things, and I'm going to delete this sheet from this level. From this level I'm going to delete this sheet. Here we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 will be there, and whatever we are going to make use like dashboard, we know this all these things like horizontal, vertical, image, web page and blank page. I think we have seen If here, if I want to add some image, I can add by the help of desert. If I'm going to click on open, it has been opened. It should be in floating. I need to rechange this, all these things. I can resize the fields as per our requirement. I can resize the fields, and I can give some URL. I can set some URL for this by the help of right click, set URL. If I need to give some set URL like www dot some google.com, I can get some set URL. If I'm going to apply here, I can apply. If once we are going to press on this, it is going to navigate to Google page. And I feel like we have seen web page. Web page is nothing but directly we are going to give the web address into this level. Dashboard level itself, we are going to search each and everything, whatever we require, and we are going to get all these things in this level itself. And I'm going to place each and everything will be there. And we can search as per our requirement. We can search all these things, and we are going to write something like above blank page. We are going to write some text, or we can drag directly also. We can write, but best recommended place should be we need to drag blank page, then we need to drag the text to write something. Whenever we are going to write some text, we are going to give some description. This dashboard is related to some sales data. This whatever there we are going to use at dashboard level, we are going to use dashboard related to sales in east region or west region, or likewise whatever you want to give, you can give as per the whatever you are using at dashboard level. All the components you are going to explaining about that. This is here. If you need to do some format text or format anything, you can make some shading. Same, whenever you are going to work with dashboards, I have told that we have two things should be very much important. One should be actions, other one should be formatting. By the help of these two only, we can build the better dashboards, and we can see the better visualization in the dashboard level itself. If I'm going to click, it will navigate from Google page, as well as whatever I'm going to make use of web URL. If I'm going to enter whatever I want something, if I want gmail.com, and if I'm going to enter, I'm going to get some Gmail page. If I'm going to click on, I'm going to open each and everything from dashboard level itself. I can log in all these things, whatever I want, some stuff I can get from by the help of web URL I can get. And this tiled is nothing but it should be fixed. Floating is nothing but it should be a dynamic. And layout, whatever we have used, we have used web, and we have used image, and we have used text. That's the reason we got all these things. Suppose if I'm going to use any other thing, sheet 1 into this visualization level, then I got sheet 1. If I'm going to whatever we are going to use at dashboard visualization level, we are going to get that all these things in layout. And this is the size. If I want to show some title, click on show title. I'm going to get some title. You can give some title for that. Likewise, we are going to make use the dashboard components. Now we will see mainly about like how we can create the different types of dashboards. First should be index dashboard.
Anil,
Yes,
uh, can we enter the URL in web page? Like, can we enter URL manually?
yes, we can enter no, like in web page www dot.
Yeah. The first time you have given a Gmail, for suppose you have given Gmail.
Yes, we can
No,
give it.
not browser. Just I just open the Gmail. Then later, can you edit the URL?
You are asking like directly I can give Gmail, no?
Yeah,
This
first
is you
time
are
Gmail.
asking. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So from here, if I want to navigate to Google in this web page, can I?
No, you cannot navigate. No, this here directly you have given the Gmail account. From this level, if you need to go, means how we can go? Like
That's
if
what. That's what. Can we edit the URL in this web page?
no, 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 no,
No, no.
no.
See, because the first time if you are giving a Google browser, you can browse any URL from there.
Yes, each and
But
every.
if you are giving any static web page, then you cannot navigate to other URLs, right?
No, but here whenever we have something no here in down itself in that page, if we have something here, we have all these things, but it will never work. Here we have no this
Okay.
all the fields, but
Yeah.
for that purpose we are going to give first something like Google itself, then we are going to search related to items whatever we want, we are going to search.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Fine.
yes, then we are going to see our things which is known as types of dashboard. Detailed dashboard is nothing but just we are going to align all these sheets. Whatever sheets we are going to take in the visualization level, just for alignment, which where we are going to place all the sheets which comes under detail dashboard. From this level, if I need to give some size also, I can give directly from this level also. If I'm going to give some 350 here, entering 350, automatically it is going to change. Here if I'm going to give something around 300, I can get something different change will be there. Likewise, by selecting this also we can resize. Here also I am going to give apply like 350, then here also I am going to apply something like 300, then enter. We are going to get the resize. We can resize from that level or we can resize from this level. If I need to resize, I can resize by the help of this, otherwise by the help of directly by the help of layout we can resize the elements. Just you are going to arranging the fields in a dashboard is known as detail dashboard. And next we have something known as master detail dashboard. We are going to edit some titles for each and everything. I'm going to use some title for this state wise sales. So title, here give something state wise sales, state wise sales, then okay, then here also rename as state wise sales, state wise sales. Because why we are renaming means we are going to get, whenever we are applying actions, we are going to get sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 likewise. If you are renaming here in this level itself, it should be we are going to get in the actions, that should be state wise sales likewise. Here segment wise sales, right click, rename as segment wise sales. Automatically it is going to reflect for title. There is no need to write two times. If I am going to write here segment by sales, go for worksheet and click on title. Automatically that is going to reflect there. And here category wise sales will be there. Category wise sales will be there. Then go for worksheet, click on show title. Then here if you are going for subcategory wise sales, subcategory wise sales will be there. Then title. Here I have given each and every title. Then if you are going for dashboard, we got all the title. It should be normally what we have something known as detail dashboard. And whatever we are going to do is formatting at dash worksheet level, it is going to reflect at dashboard level. Whatever I am going to do some formatting at this level, it is going to reflect at dashboard level. If I am going to give some shading for this, which should be some color like here, automatically if I'm going for worksheet, the title it is going to add with whatever formatting level we have done there. Automatically it has been replaced. Here whatever we are going to do some format, each and everything by the help of actions and formatting only, we are going to get all these things. Likewise this we are going to do some detailed dashboard. Then we are going to create some. Next one should be master detail dashboard. I'm going to take some duplicate dashboard because if we need to arrange, it should take some time. Duplicate dashboard. I have taken one more dashboard. Here, I need to give master detail dashboard. It should be one master, remaining three, all the three should be detail. Here, each and everything should be detail only. If I'm going to click on anything, it is not going to change the effect on any other remaining things. Just each and everything should be detail only. Then I need to make one as a master and remaining all the three as detail. For that purpose, go for dashboard, click on actions. Here we have add action. add filter action. Here if I'm going to click on something, like if I'm going to click on which one we have, like state-wise sales as a source, and I'm going to give target should be in dashboard 2. I'm going to give target should be category-wise sales, segment-wise sales, and subcategory-wise sales. I'm going to make use of select, and I'm going to use run on single select only, and click on OK. Then click on OK. Here, if I'm going to click on here, it is going to, we are in dashboard 2 only, no? Go for dashboard actions. No, we have not applied any actions, and we have selected this, and I'm going to select state wise sales will be there, and I'm going to remove state wise sales. Then I'm going to select, click on run on single select only, then OK, then OK. I feel dashboard actions, remove, remove. Here if I'm going to add some actions, I'm going to add some actions in this level, dashboard actions, show actions for all these sheets. Then okay, if I'm going to click on here this level, it is not applying, just whatever I have, add action, filter action. I'm going to select in dashboard 2, so should be state wise sales. In dashboard 2 only, I'm going to make use of, like, I am going to eliminate state. I'm going to take all these things by the help of select. I'm going to use run on single select only. I'm going to give action name should be something. I'm going to dashboard 1 name, then OK, then show actions for all sets, all sheets here, then name OK. Then here if I'm going to click on this sheet, whew, just 1 minute, I will remove this dashboard. I will create one more dashboard, delete sheet, and come for state-wise sales and segment-wise sales, category-wise sales, and subcategory-wise sales, creating some dashboard into this level, and this level, and some other this level. I'm going to place all these things. I'm going for dashboard actions. I'm going to click on add action. I'm going to filter action, filter 1 minute. Sir, I am in class, sir. Online class లో ఉన్నాను సార్, చేస్తాను. పంపిస్తాను సార్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. And here I'm going to click on, like a state wise sales will, I'm going to take as a input should be state wise sales. Then I'm going to give in dashboard itself, I'm going to give except state wise.
Planning,
Yes.
I think in the target filters you have to select selected fields,
No, no, no,
radio button.
no.
No, right?
Yeah, because we have done one mistake before. What we have done
Okay.
means, here in dashboard we are selecting. In dashboard level we are selecting state wise sales. Source should be sheet we are selecting. We are not selecting the dashboard. In
Okay.
source as a sheet only we are selecting. If once we are going to click on that sheet, it is going to navigate into this dashboard. But we need to select dashboard only. In dashboard 1 we need to select only state wise sales. Then In dashboard
Okay.
1, we want category, segment and subcategory. I mean some other, by the help of select, then OK, then click on OK. Then if I'm going to click on here, it is going to be navigated automatically. It is going to apply some action should be there. This is which is known as master detail dashboard. One master, remaining all three should be detail dashboards by the help of this. But if I'm going to click on here, it is not going to affect on any other sheets. It should be static. This all the detailed pages will be there. No changes will never get in any point of view. That which comes under master detail dashboard. There should be one master will be there. Remaining all the remaining should be detailed. By clicking on one master, I need to get reflections on remaining all the three remaining sheets. I need to get some reflections. Likewise, it is going to make use to get the outputs. Then we have another thing.
Anil, one more thing.
Yes.
Do we have automatic save, like whatever the work you have done now, will it be automatically saved or we have to do it manually?
Like we need to do means by the help of from this save button, you can save. Whenever you are saving, it should be going to ask us, it should be in the format of .twb and twbx. Automatically, it will never save.
Okay.
Only
What about refresh? Will there be any automatic refresh or
yes, yes, we are
is
going
there an
to
option?
yes, we are going to make some schedules. In server level, we are going to make
Okay.
automatic refreshes will be there.
Okay. I've seen somewhere this option like auto refresh
Yes,
somewhere in the
yes.
menu.
We
Fine.
auto refresh not. That should be like we have this should be there, no? Auto update dashboard.
Auto update. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll get some
Fine. Fine.
refresh will be we are going to get at server level. This is known as master detail dashboard. Then we are going to create some. We'll take some other sheets which will create some. First of all, we'll create some other sheets which are related to city 1. Then I'm going to take some other thing state we have. I'm going to take some other thing known as region wise sales, and other sheet should be ship mode wise sales. We're going to take ship mode wise sales will be there. We're going to take each and everything. Ship mode wise sales will be there. Here we have all these things like this should be I'm going to make as city wise rename as city wise sales. City wise sales will be there, and this we are going to make something rename as region wise sales. Region wise sales will be there, and this we are going to ship mode wise sales will be there. Name ship mode wise sales will be there, and as well as for each and everything please add title, show title, then come for some other sheet which is known as region worksheet, show title, and if you are going for city wise sales worksheet, show title will be there. Then I'm going to create one dashboard. I'm going to drag state wise sales, I'm going to drag city wise sales, I'm going to drag region wise sales, I'm going to drag something ship mode wise sales. Here I'm going to make this should be somewhat in better understandable way. Here I'm going to arrange likewise all these things whatever we have sheets or anything. Then here these two I need to make this is also master and this is also master. Once I am going to click on this sheet, there no changes should be in this sheet. There should be changes only on the region wise sales and ship mode wise sales. If I'm going to click on city wise sales, I want changes in region wise sales and ship mode wise sales, not in state wise sales. For that purpose, we are going to make apply some filters and filter actions. How we can click on, if I'm going to click on state, it need to get the changes in region and ship mode. If I'm going to click on city, I need to get changes in region and ship mode. That should be there. If I'm going to apply, we can apply from this level also. Here you have an option known as use as filter, and same option here you have something use as filter will be there, and here we have something known as ignore actions will be there. And if going for here this level, you have something known as ignore actions will be there. And coming for this level in city wise sales, whatever action it have, we have just remove that action, because on the time only we are going to get all these things. Here we have applied that actions will be there. Here use as filter, and here also I have make use of use as filter will be there. Both the things, whatever filters we have applied, I can apply the no, I have applied some use as filter. Then we have this level, I have applied use as filter. We are going to apply use as filter, as well as we can make ignore actions also. We can make ignore actions will be there. Click on ignore actions. From this sheet level, go here, click on this ignore actions. Then we have make both the sheets should be ignoring action. But automatically Tableau is going to generate the two filters by the help of from this level you are doing, but Tableau is going to generate it automatically. Go for actions, click on actions. It is giving you filter 1 generated, filter 2 generated automatically. If you are going to click on that, if you are going to see the edit actions, check it should be same how we are going to give. It is going to take state wise sales. By the help of select option, it has taken, and it has taken the target region wise and ship mode wise, whatever filter 1. And filter 2, click on this filter to edit here and go. It has taken city wise sales, and it has taken region wise sales and ship mode wise sales. Automatically Tableau is going to generate if whatever you have selected at visualization level. Here if I'm going to click on this, it is going to affect only on the region wise sales and ship mode wise sales. It is not going to affect on the city. Same thing, if I'm going to click on city, it is not going to affect on the state, just it is going to affect on the region wise sales and ship mode wise sales only. We are going to, it is going to affect, and it is going to give the output for us. This is known as master detail dashboard. By the help of master detail dashboard, we can make use to send both the things. If I'm going to click on this level, it is going to affect for only all the detailed things. If I'm going to click on this level, it is going to affect only detailed things, not on the master. This is which is known as master detail dashboard. And next one should be multi-master. We have seen master detail, we have seen. Then we have something known as hiding dashboard. Hiding dashboard should be some of the important dashboard in real time, as well as whenever we are practicing also it should be thing. This is known as, first one should be detail dashboard, rename as detail detail dashboard. And dashboard 2 is nothing, we have not make anything. Then this is known as master detail dashboard, rename it as master detail dashboard will be there.
Anil, one more small note.
Yes,
In that city-wise sales and all, this background that graph is generated, right?
yes,
It is showing United States as default. Uh, can we change that? Can we change the background instead of United States? Can we select any other?
like because
Is it because just because of data it is being populated directly?
yes, because of data it has been, we have the data as which is known as United States. That's why we
Okay,
are
but
getting the United States map. If it is our like something which is related to India, then it is going to get India map. Like
okay, that's what. Because we have regions like Southeast Asia and all, na. That's
yes,
why I'm asking you.
yes,
Even we have the data for even Asian countries. So can we populate any other Asian countries map?
yes, we can make that. There is no problem in that. We can generate, as well as if we need to use background also, some map we can use. There is no problem in that also.
Okay.
1 minute. Okay.
Anil, hi Anil, excuse me.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Yeah, in this dashboard, how many master sheets can be there?
How many?
Maximum
Hmm,
master sheets can be there.
like
Maximum.
maximum we can place n number of things, but better should be if you're going to place six, it should be better. If you're going to place more than six, it is
Okay.
not going to looks. We need to
Master sheets I'm saying about.
this sheets only. No, you are asking. You can place n number of sheets in one dashboard. You can place n number of master sheets. Like master dashboards are what you are asking.
Yeah, I'm saying about master sheets.
It depends like if it should be totally depends on the if we have some sheets will be there like a sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. If we have 4 or 6 sheets will be there, you can expect only 2 masters. Better practice should be only 2 masters. If you are going to make use of 2 masters, there is no use of that. But always we are going to use recommended should be 2 masters only.
Okay, Anil. Okay, okay.
Okay. Likewise we are going to make use like then finally we are going to see some hiding dashboard will be there. Hiding dashboard is nothing but suppose if I'm going to take all these sheets, like if I'm going to take an city, I'm going to take some state, I'm going to take some category wise sales, I'm going to take some subcategory wise sales. Here we have all these things will be there. Just we are going to arrange this all the things in a good way. Here I'm going to make, and here if I'm going to click on city, I need to get the reflections only on, like if I'm going to click on state, I need to get the changes on category wise sales and subcategory wise sales, but I need to hide the city wise sales. That is our requirement. Otherwise if I'm going to click on city wise sales, I need to hide like category and subcategory. I need to show only related to states. Likewise whatever we have all these things will be there. Likewise we are going to make use, I'm going to select, okay, we have all these things will be, if I'm going to click on this state, I need to show only cities related things changes, but I need to hide remaining both category and subcategory will be there, our requirement. Then I'm going to apply some action dashboards actions. I'm going to give some add action, filter action. I'm going to give in dashboard 4. I'm going to select state and I want some reflection should be on city only. I need to hide remaining all these things. I'm going to remove city and state from this. I'm going to exclude all values. This should be option will be there. Exclude all values, select, run on single, select only. Then okay. Then okay. If I'm going to click on here, click here, we are going to hide, but whatever changes, if I am going to click here, I am going to click and whatever should be there, some changes should be there, it is going to affect. And I feel here we are not getting any changes. And if I'm going for something like city wise sales will be there where we have, and this should be unpin zoom. Then come for dashboard. If I'm going to click on this level, click on this level. If you're going to see some values, dashboard and actions, click on whatever we have applied some filter action to dashboard for edit. I need to see if I'm going to click on this state, all the related, here itself it's showing like city wise sales and state wise sales we are going to eliminate, and we need to hide category wise sales and subcategory wise sales, and we need to show remaining city wise sales and state wise sales should be likewise itself. By clicking on, one thing, automatically it is going to use in this level. Just we have not given any action. By clicking on this, we need to hide these two sheets and we need to show the two sheets. That should be our requirement. Then we got that requirement. But whenever we are hiding that sheets here, we have some title will be there. Title we are not hiding it, that title, because if you are not hiding the title, if someone is seeing, they feel like there should be something will be there. Whenever we are need to hide the sheets, we need to hide with titles. We cannot hide. If I'm going to, I have an option, right click on this, I have an option hide title. Right click on this, I have an option hide title. Then once if I'm going to click, I can hide all these things. Once if I'm going to click once again, I don't have title, because I cannot understand what exactly about this. For this purpose, we need to have the title, as well as we need to have both the things. I need to hide, but as well as I need to have the title. Both the things will be there. For that purpose, we have going to get some calculated fields. One formula will be there. We need to create some calculated fields for each and everything. Here, I'm going to create calculated field, calculation 1 with the name of whatever sheets we have here in dashboard level, like what we have sheets like city wise sales and ship mode wise sales and region wise sales. If I'm going to give region wise sales as a title, and here apply, OK. Then I'm going to create one more calculated field, create calculated field. Just I'm going to give some other name, which
Anil,
is,
Anil,
yes, yes,
uh,
Chaitanya.
small query. Like you are going to hide those subcategory wise and all just by selecting those uh, what was that?
Yeah.
That radio button you have selected, right?
Exclude all
Exclude all
values.
values.
Yes, yes,
Only just because of that, right?
yes, only because of that. But
Yeah, fine.
whenever we need to hide with names. For that purpose, we are going to create some calculated fields here. By the help of these calculated fields, I am going to give something ship mode wise sales. Two names we have given. Ship mode wise sales will be there. Here apply, OK. Then here once if we are going to add that two fields, we need to add these two fields when dashboard level itself. We need to add in sheet 8, take that calculated field, wherever we have some calculated fields will be there. Calculation 1, drag into visualization level, then drag calculation into text. Then double click on text, click on this and remove the text. Then apply, then OK, and right click on this, hide field label for rows. Then create one more sheet, sheet 9, drag that calculation into rows and drag the calculation into text and double click on text, edit text, then remove this, then apply, then OK, then right click on this, hide field label for rows will be there. Then go for dashboard. Now hide these titles from this level, hide title, then hide title from this level. Just drag sheet 8 and sheet 9 into visualization up above this. Then you have an option here, fit with entire view will be there, fit with entire view, and drag this line till end of the things, drag this line and minimize all these things till the region wise sales, then drag till above, then right click on sheet 8 and hide title, then drag this above the, and I feel we have given some wrong title, but it should be likewise region wise sales. Then from for this drag sheet 9 will be there, then same process you need to follow. Click on here, click on here, fit with entire view, then I need to drag this line to till end, then we need to minimize overall whatever we have and minimize from this level, right click, sheet 9, hide title. Then drag this shift mode into somewhat higher. It looks like a title. Then click on this. If I'm going to click on here, if I'm going to click, I am hiding. Double click. Now click. Automatically it will hide all these things. Once again you click. Automatically we are going to get the title. Likewise, we are going to make use of hiding the dashboard, means by the help of calculated field, by the help of actions, we can hide the dashboard. Once if you're going to click once again, it is going to hide overall. If someone is seeing also, there is nothing will be there. Just we each and everything should be we have hidden. Once we are clicking, we can understand this sheet is related to category wise sales and this sheet is related to subcategory wise sales. This is how we are going to
Hello,
make.
Anil.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Anil, this is Sandeep here.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, when you hide the sheets, I mean, when you hide the worksheets,
Yes.
if you click on any, if you click on city by sales worksheet,
Okay.
uh, in that case, the hiding sheets will be open.
Yes. Once again, if you are going to click, it will open.
No, no, I'm asking you that actually, I mean, if you click on state-wise sales, at that time, the region-wise sales and ship modes wise sales, those worksheets will be hide.
Yes.
So at that time, again, if you click on anywhere in the city-wise sales,
Okay.
you have already applied some action for the city-wise sales, right? So
Yes.
in that time,
Yes.
those sheets which are hide earlier, those sheets will be open.
No, it will not open. It's only for state by sales only. Same we will check.
But actually
Yes.
there are already some actions out there, right?
See here, if I'm going to click on this, for this we have not given any action, but we have given
Suppose if
only
you
for
give
this.
any action for city-wide sales also, like suppose if you give any action on for city-wide sales, wherever if you click on anywhere in the city-wide sales, for the city-wide sales, if you apply any actions for the region-wide sales and ship mode-wide sales,
Yes, yes, yes,
so in that case it will be sure, right?
yes, yes. You can hide.
No, can you show us that?
Like you are asking, like once if are going for here dashboard level. Sorry, I'm going to drag this dashboard and go for action. Here itself filter to edit. Then here itself we are going to select like we want city wise.
No, 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 not this one actually. Please edit the any other filter, not this one.
This filter.
Yeah,
Okay.
any other one like for city-wide sales. Yeah,
Okay.
this is okay. So here in this case, if we click on anywhere in the city-wide sales worksheet,
Okay.
it will be show, right. It will be show region-wide sales and ship mode-wide sales,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
So at that time, actually, there were already one action is working on. So at the
Okay.
same time, another action will be working.
No, it will not work at same time.
So only one action will be work at a time.
Yes. Yes. You for another region by sales you can apply another action, but same city by sales you cannot apply another action.
No, no, actually, we are already applied one action for state-wise sales.
Okay.
So that action was not closed right now. So
Okay.
without closing the state-wise sales action, then after if we click on anywhere on the city-wise sales,
Okay.
so based on the city-wise sales, we have clicked, we are showing the region-wise sales and shipment-wise sales for
Yes.
city-wise sales, city-wise
Yes.
sales.
You can
So at
apply.
that time,
You can
it will
apply.
be show.
Yes, you can apply. That means I'm going to add one more sheet for you. One more action. Add action. Here I'm going to select in dashboard 4 itself. I'm going to select only, we have for state wise will be there. I'm going to select now only city wise. Okay. City wise sales. Then in the city wise sales, I am going to hide this subcategory as well as I'm going
No,
to,
here don't hide any sheets here. Just to show any sheet. I mean, based on the city-wise sales. Don't hide here for this filter 3.
okay. Just you need to give like, you need to show the output for this. Yes.
Yes.
Anil, I hope I can clarify it out. Like,
Yes.
see, if you have applied action for state-wise sales, you have
Yes.
included sheet 8 and sheet 9 for state-wise sales, right?
Yes.
Yes, and you have applied action for state-wise sales.
Yes.
for hiding sheet 8 and sheet 9.
Yes.
Since you have not mentioned any actions on city-wise sales for sheet 8 and sheet 9,
Okay.
if you select something on city-wise sales, will sheet 8 and sheet 9 will be disabled, or will they be able to see?
You can see, but you cannot use the on the time state. If you are going to click on state, it should be disabled. Okay. Once again, if you are going to click on state, it will be enabled. And if you need to give the actions on city, click on city, you will get some changes in like a ship mode wise. Whatever we have here in this level, we have something other thing like
But sheet 8 and sheet 9 will not be disappearing, right? They will
no,
be as is.
as it is. It
Yeah,
will not disappear.
yeah, yeah. That's good.
That's
Fine.
only Sandeep.
Yeah, that was the one actually. But actually, when before you click on the double click on state wise sales,
Okay.
if you select any something on city wise sales,
Okay.
those shields which are hiding, those should be appear, right?
If by
Okay,
click,
now you
if I need to apply something from this level, we need to get some actions. Yes.
yeah, okay. Like select anywhere in the state wise sales.
Okay.
Okay, now you can select something on city wise sales.
Okay. It is not going to reflect on the time for these two sheets.
Yeah, because it should be sure, right? It should be
Yes, yes, because it's in a unhide mode.
okay.
Just I will send some notes for you, Sandeep. Just do some practice. Once again, if you're getting doubts, we can clarify that. No problem.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay.
And
Here,
one more doubt actually, like
yes, Sandeep.
if we create any new sheet,
Okay.
the already already some actions will be there, right? Those actions will be applicable to any other sheet, new sheet.
New sheets, it is not going to applicable.
But actually, yesterday notes you have given some note actually. In that you have mentioned that if you create any new sheet, Tableau automatically adds like
If you are going to add
on the
new,
existing it adds to the newly created sheets.
like if you are going to add new action, whatever we have previous action, it is going to replicate it sometimes. That should be disadvantage of Tableau in actions. But same sheet, it is not going to happen, no? In which notes?
No,
In
actually the day before yesterday you have given action notes.
yes,
In that
1 minute.
action note you have
Yes,
mentioned.
stop when we have something. Can you guess where exactly it is?
I think come down. There will be a note.
Yes. If you
Yeah,
create
okay.
any new sheet,
Yeah,
Tableau automatically add the existing action to the newly created sheets. That means newly created action sheets will be there, no? It is automatically adds that existing actions. That is the disadvantage in Tableau. That's only I have told. Here,
but
how
actually
means,
I have
uh,
taken new sheet. But
okay.
can you show the
Because it will not, as per our requirement, it will not work. But sometimes it will come likewise. If I am going to apply some actions, like I am going to take some category wise sales, and if I'm going to take some other thing which is known as subcategory wise sales, then if I'm going to apply here in sheet 10, worksheet, actions, like add action, filter action, I'm going to take so should be like sheet 10 and target should be like sheet 11 will be there. I'm going to select and show all values, then okay. If I'm going to select menu, then okay. Then okay. By clicking on this, we have menu option. Then it is going to navigating for this level. I'm going to take one more sheet which is known as like a region wise sales will be there. sales will be there. And if I'm going to apply one more action at this level, I will go for this level, worksheet, actions, add action, like filter action. Then I'm going to select sheet 11 as a source. Then target should be sheet 12 by the help of select. Okay. And then, okay, if I'm going to click on this, whenever we are going to click, sometimes here itself it is going to reflect with menu type. Whatever we have applied previous action, it is going to replicate it. Whenever you are working, sometimes it will get likewise the menu will, whatever previous action, whatever we have applied previous action, it is going to add for existing action. It will not add each and every time, but it will add sometimes. That should be disadvantage of Tableau in actions. And I can, then afterwards we have final thing should be index dashboard will be there. For making index dashboard, you need to create 4 calculated fields. If you are going to create 4 calculated fields, then it comes under index dashboard. I need to create all these things. First one calculated should be detail dashboard, detail, detail dashboard, and second one should be master detail dashboard, apply, okay. Second one should be master detail dashboard, master detail dashboard, and third one should be multi-master dashboard. No, multi-master dashboard, like multi-master dashboard. Here I'm going to call as multi-master dashboard. Apply. Okay. Then we have final one should be hiding dashboard. Click on this level. We have other things should be hiding dashboard. Hiding hiding dashboard. This all these things we have apply. Okay, then we need to create each and every sheet, all these things, and I feel we know this the process. Double click on that, edit and remove whatever we have, remove this, then apply. Okay, right click on this, hide field labels for rows, then create new mode sheet and drag sheet for calculation 4 and drag calculation 4 into text once again. Double click on text and click on this and remove the fields what we have applied. Okay, and right click above this, hide field label for rows, create the new field like calculation 5, drag into rows, drag calculation 5 into label, double click, edit and remove the fields what we have, then apply, then okay, then same thing we need to hide field labels for rows, then create final one should be hiding dashboard, drag into rows and drag the calculation text into text, edit text and remove the fields, then apply, then okay, then right click and hide field label for rows, then drag, arrange all the 4 like whatever we have last 4 sheets, drag and arrange should be here 14, 15 and 16 this, and here go with fit with the entire view will be there, then drag this into till this extent, then minimize each and everything and go above and right click, hide title, then take this should be somewhat middle and use something which are related to some this level, and it should be one thing will be there. Then we need to have same process we need to follow for each and everything, entire view and drag this to till end, then drag till here, then drag till above right click, hide field title and drag somewhat more, then drag into above this, then click on this master detail, then go for here sheet, like fit with entire view, then drag till extend and drag from this level to this level and drag to here, and we have still this extend, right click and hide title, and they're going to make use of something will be there, then drag into this level. Then final one should be same, likewise we are going to do, click on here, fit with entire view, then drag till end and drag all these things still here and minimize, right click and hide title and drag each and everything. By clicking on each and every field, if I'm going to do some formatting for each and everything, if I'm going to give some shading here, I can apply. If I'm going to click on this level, it has not applied shading. What it has been, right click, we have applied some formatting. Here it should be header will be there. Whatever we have header will be there, for that it has been happened. If I'm going to click on this level, whatever we have in this level, now that formatting is going to replicate it. Likewise, we are going to apply for each and everything one action. Then click on this. If I need to click on detail dashboard, it need to go for dashboard which are related to here. We have some dashboard should be there from starting from this level. It need to go for detailed dashboard, and if I'm going to click on master detail, it need to go for dashboard 2. If I'm going to click on multi-master, it need to go for this. And likewise, each and everything, if I'm going to give some action, I can give from here. If I'm going to give from dashboard level, actions, and I'm going to add action, I'm going to take filter action. In dashboard 5, I'm going to select, so should be like 13, and target should be, I am going to give some target which is known as, I'm going to give some target which is should be dashboard 2. Then select, run on single select only. Then OK. Then OK. If I'm going to click on here, it need to go for dashboard 2. Dashboard 2 is the empty dashboard. That's the reason it went there. And go for once again to our sheet dashboard 5 and apply one more action, dashboard actions, and add action, filter action, and select in dashboard 5, select sheet 14 and give the output should be dashboard, we can give dashboard 4. Then go for menu, run on single sheet only, then OK, then OK. If I'm going to click on master detail, we have menu, click on this, it will navigate for dashboard 4. This should be dashboard 4, it has been navigated. Then give one more action at dashboard 5 level, multi-master, worksheet not, dashboard, actions, and add action, filter action. If I'm going to give sheet 15 as a source, and I'm going to give output should be master detail dashboard, then by the help of select, run on single sheet only, then OK, then OK. If I'm going to click on this multi-master, it is going to be go for master detail dashboard. Likewise, we are going to arrange index dashboard for each and everything. This is how we are going to make use of dashboards in Tableau. And we have, whenever we are going to build a dashboard, we are going to make use of formatting and actions. Actions will play a key role to work with, like dashboards and formatting. Whatever formatting look and feel, we are going to do the formatting. These two things will be important whenever we are going to work with Tableau. Any doubts still here?
Anil, one small query.
Okay.
Can you give us a real-time scenario where exactly we are going to use this index dashboard?
Index dashboard means finally whenever we are going to give for end client, you are going to give some actions directly end client. We're starting dashboard should be for end client's index dashboard only. Because by
Okay.
the help of this, if he is going to click, automatically he is going to see one dashboard related things.
And I have no idea, fair idea, but how are they going to these view these reports? Like they will
If
be having a Tableau reader.
no. We are not going to send likewise. We are going to publish this into server level. From admin is going to give the access for them. They can view the through server.
Fine,
Because
fine.
Tableau reader at in-house purpose only it can be useful, not for a client purpose.
Okay, that's why. Yeah,
Yes,
I understood. Like these are the general links. If you click on a link, you will be traversing to other dashboards. I hope this is like
yes,
an index page.
yes,
I can understand that. But see, according to us, we have these dashboards in a different dashboard.
yes.
So, is this the same case with the users as well? Will they be having the same kind of dashboards in a different kind of dashboards?
For whom?
How are we going to present this? Like, how are we going to present this scenario? Like index dashboard in one dashboard and specific dashboards in a different dashboard. How are we going to present this to the users?
Here for user we are going to give this dashboard, okay, and whenever we are going
Okay.
to give this server access for them, we have all the dashboards, it should be in server, but basically we are going to give first dashboard should be this, like index dashboard. Once he what he want exactly, I'm going to give here some description about detailed dashboard. Here I'm going to give it, its name, not the detailed dashboard. If it is some related like east region sales, entire east region sales should be in dashboard 1. On that time I'm going to give some description at this level itself. I'm going to drag some text, I'm going to give at side in sheet 1, in detail dashboard, it's totally related to
So it
related.
will be like a browser. If you click on a link, it will be opening another
Yes,
page.
yes,
Like, yeah,
whatever we want, what exactly he want, he can enter from here, he can see the reports as per his requirement. We are going to give in index.
fine.
Okay, but I will send you notes now itself, as well as Sandeep, I will send you that video whatever you have missed. Okay, sorry for not sending till now, I'm going to send right now. Okay.
See that one sorting and actions. That one video. Can you share it with us? That one exactly.
Dashboards means now it cannot be possible, Chaitanya, because I need to
Not dashboard, not dashboard. Previous to I think 2 sessions previous to this one.
like
That one
action
actions and sorting.
sorting. Yes, I think you have missed. I have sent it action, but I need to send sorting. I will send right now.
I think you have sent the video that was given to the others. That was a demo given to others, I guess. You
Demo.
have not shared the video.
Okay. I will check once. Okay,
Yeah, because
half of
you
the
have
thing.
covered both the.
Sorting.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can somebody speak at once?
Yeah, Anil, I think you have sent sorting video, but you did
Okay.
not send the action. And the
Okay.
sorting video also, I think you have explained to others. I think that was not explained to us actually.
Yes. Okay.
Those two topics were covered on the same day for us.
Yes. I will check. No problem. I will check and I will send you guys.
Yeah,
And
fine.
can
Okay. Bye.
Anil,
Yes, Rajesh.
hi Anil.
Yes, Rajesh.
Can you send the total notes regarding this Tableau
Overall notes you want? Okay.
till now?
Till
Yeah.
now, yes.
Huh?
I will send you, Rajesh.
And one thing, can you send this today's video, Anil?
Today's videos it's not possible, Rajesh, because I need to convert that. I will send you like tomorrow that video.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
Anil, okay.
Okay.